Hello students, now we will discuss about the anomalous behavior of beryllium as well as diagonal relationship between beryllium and aluminium. So what is the reason that the beryllium shows a different behavior, different properties as compared to the other alkaline earth metals? There are certain reasons. The first reason is the size of beryllium is very smaller. So due to very small size, the beryllium shows it is having high ionization energy, it is having high hydration enthalpy. So due to smaller size, it forms the covalent compounds also. So it has smaller size as compared to all the other alkaline earth metals. Second one, due to small size, it is having high ionization enthalpy, and due to high ionization enthalpy, it can easily form the covalent compound because it will not release the electrons easily. Okay. Now we know that the beryllium do not show the coordination number more than 4, because in its valence shell only 4 electrons are there, so it may form mainly 4 bonds, or like BeF4. Okay, so because it is having only 4 electrons, so it do not show more than 4 coordination number. There is a reason also that in other alkaline earth metal, d orbitals are there, vacant d orbitals are there, but in case of beryllium, no vacant d orbital is there, since the electronic configuration of beryllium is 1s2 2s2 2p2. Next is, students, the hydroxide and oxides of beryllium also shows amphoteric nature. Amphoteric nature means their hydroxide act as base in presence of acid, and act as acid in presence of base. So they shows both acidic as well as basic nature. That's why they shows the hydroxide and oxides are amphoteric, but the other alkaline earth metal generally do not show the amphoteric nature. Now students, the next is diagonal relationship between beryllium and aluminium. So we have learned about the diagonal relationship, that there is the elements of second period, they shows some similarities with the elements of third period which are present diagonally to them. Like the lithium shows similarity with magnesium. Similarly, the beryllium shows similarity with the aluminium. So what are the reasons? So here I have written some of the reasons. Like the charge by radius ratio of beryllium as well as aluminium ions is quite same. Okay, so that's why they are having about similar charge by radius ratio. So that's why they shows similarities in their properties. Both the beryllium and aluminium also do not react with the acid in the presence because they are having a thin layer of oxide on their surface. So that's why they do not react with the acids easily. Even when beryllium and aluminium oxides, when beryllium oxide is dissolved in an alkali, or make soluble in an alkali, then it forms the berylate ion. And similarly, when the aluminium hydroxide is also dissolved in alkali, then in the solution aluminate ions are formed. These both are forming same type of complex ions. That's why they are forming the same type of ion. That's why there is a reason that their properties are similar. Even aluminium chloride and beryllium chloride, if we see their structure in vapor phase, then in vapor phase they are having a chloride bridged atom, means a chloride ion is there, a bridged chloride is there in vapor phase. Both are having in the structure of both aluminium chloride and beryllium chloride. Like we can see the structure of aluminium chloride, it will be like this. Like this is aluminium, okay, this is chlorine, then AlCl3, so this is one more chlorine, and then one more aluminium is there, it is having chlorine and chlorine. So what happened when the molecules come together? Then in that case a bridged chloride is there. So this actually happens in case of aluminum chloride. Similarly, we have seen the structure of beryllium. We can draw it like this: beryllium, BeCl2 is there, BeCl, and here Cl. Like one more Be is there. Okay, we can draw it like this: Cl, and here one more Cl is there. Okay, so here again a bridged chloride is there. So in case of both aluminum chloride and beryllium chloride, bridged chloride are there. Even aluminum chloride and beryllium chloride both act as strong Lewis acid. Both are strong Lewis acids. Both are soluble in organic solvents, as well as both are used in Friedel-Crafts reaction as a catalyst. So both act as Friedel-Crafts catalyst. Student, Friedel-Crafts is a reaction which is an organic part that you will study later. Beryllium and aluminium, they form complexes. They form complex ions, like we have seen. They form by beryllium berylate ion, that is complex, aluminate ion complex. So they form different type of complexes with the other elements. So students, in this way, the beryllium shows the anomalous behavior as compared to the other alkaline earth metals, and there are some reasons also for the diagonal relationship between beryllium as well as between aluminium. I hope you understand.